Over the past few years, there has been an increase in research conducted on the advantages of hydrogen peroxide for improving health. Certain investigations have reported encouraging and effective outcomes. Hydrogen peroxide is widely known as a strong antimicrobial substance made up of oxygen and water, with numerous health benefits and applications. Concentrations are also commonly used. Diluted hydrogen peroxide can be used for disinfecting wounds or cleaning surfaces, while higher concentrations may be used in hair bleaching or other industrial applications. It is important to follow instructions and safety guidelines when using hydrogen peroxide, especially at higher concentrations. It is possible to use it when appropriately thinned out. Can the ingestion of hydrogen peroxide improve your overall health? Did you know that hydrogen peroxide has various uses other than cleaning, whitening, and disinfecting? It can also be used for dental care, ear care, and certain beauty routines. 1. Benefits of hydrogen peroxide for hair care. Hydrogen peroxide has numerous benefits when it comes to caring for your hair. It can help lighten your naturally dark hair or give highlights to blonde hair. It also has antiseptic properties, so it can help clean and prevent infections on the scalp. In addition, hydrogen peroxide can help remove excess oil from the scalp, which can reduce dandruff and other scalp conditions. Overall, using hydrogen peroxide in your hair care routine can result in healthier, cleaner, and more vibrant-looking hair. Hair treatments commonly incorporate hydrogen peroxide due to its ability to lighten hair and cleanse it. Because of its chemical characteristics, it can eliminate accumulated impurities from hair without stripping away natural oils. It is recommended that hydrogen peroxide treatments be administered by a hair professional and not attempted at home. 2. Cleaning and care of the ears to prevent otitis. It is important to keep your ears clean and healthy to prevent any potential complications caused by dirt accumulation or overproduction of earwax that may facilitate the growth of harmful microorganisms and cause infections or diseases. Using hydrogen peroxide is the most effective way to thoroughly cleanse and disinfect the ear canal in order to decrease the amount of microorganisms present and avoid, or treat, infections such as otitis. We suggest using a particular over-the-counter ear drop that contains a low amount of hydrogen peroxide as it can aid in the softening of compacted earwax. If you think you have an ear infection, it is important to seek advice from your doctor. Furthermore, if there are openings or punctures in the internal area, it is recommended that the use of hydrogen peroxide is avoided. 3. Prevents and eliminates nail infections. Due to their structure and characteristics, nails are prone to infections caused by bacteria or fungi. To combat such overgrowth, the potent antimicrobial hydrogen peroxide is applied externally. To maintain cleanliness and disinfect an infected nail, you can apply a small amount of hydrogen peroxide using a cotton swab. Hydrogen peroxide possesses the capability to obliterate numerous types of fungi and bacteria by raising oxygen levels due to its chemical composition and oxidative potential. 4. Prevents fungal infections of the feet. By combining all three ingredients, you can achieve rejuvenated and revitalized feet that feel soft and moisturized. By immersing your feet into a combination of filtered water, hydrogen peroxide, and the essential oil you prefer, it is possible to restore the suppleness and hydration of your feet. The use of filtered water and essential oils is crucial in purifying and nourishing the skin of the feet, while hydrogen peroxide helps maintain foot cleanliness and hygiene. Blending these three elements together can result in refreshed, renewed, and rehydrated feet that feel velvety smooth. Keep your feet hygienic and prevent any fungal infections. Benefits of hydrogen peroxide for dental health. There are advantages to using hydrogen peroxide for maintaining good oral hygiene. The compound is highly effective in killing harmful bacteria and germs that can cause gum disease and tooth decay. It also helps whiten teeth by removing stains and discoloration caused by smoking, coffee, or tea. Additionally, hydrogen peroxide can aid in the healing process of mouth sores and ulcers as it has antiseptic properties. Overall, incorporating hydrogen peroxide into a dental care routine can lead to healthier teeth, gums, and overall oral health. 5. Home remedy for bad breath. The existence of bacteria and fungi in dentin is responsible for causing unpleasant breath. The usage of a mouthwash containing hydrogen peroxide can minimize the quantity of bacteria, which in turn assists in eliminating bad breath. However, if you fail to maintain appropriate dental hygiene through consistent use of toothpaste and flossing, the impact will be short-lived. 6. Whiten teeth. Hydrogen peroxide is utilized by dentists in larger quantities for the purpose of whitening teeth. Nevertheless, excessively high quantities of this substance may lead to the deterioration of the external layer, enamel, of your teeth. Using hydrogen peroxide mouthwashes at home, with a lower concentration, for a short duration of 2 to 3 times a day, can produce a comparable result with less harm and expense. 7. Prevents the formation of cavities. The erosion of dentin may occur because of the consumption of food and sugar by bacteria and fungi in the mouth. The use of hydrogen peroxide can ease the burden caused by these microorganisms and prevent tooth decay. 8. Toothbrush hygiene. After brushing your teeth, dip your brush to remove any leftover bacteria from your mouth. Doing this will promote good dental hygiene. Additionally, you may use hydrogen peroxide to clean and maintain your dental implants. Hydrogen peroxide can effectively eliminate any harmful bacteria that may be present on the implants. 9. Temporary relief for toothache. The temporary pain relief of toothache due to bacterial inflammation can be achieved through the use of hydrogen peroxide, which has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. This method is fast-acting and serves as a great solution until you can consult your dentist. 10. Reduces inflammation of the gums. An excess of bacteria in the mouth is a possible factor leading to gum inflammation. Hydrogen peroxide has the ability to fight off microbes and can be beneficial in promoting dental health by reducing gum swelling. If you want to reap the benefits of hydrogen peroxide, you can gargle with a blend of hydrogen peroxide, 3% concentration that is readily available in stores, and purified water for half a minute before spitting it out. If your swelling continues for several days, seek guidance from your dental practitioner.